Liam, I'm 22, I'm frontman for Stonebird.
My name's Morgan, I'm 20 and I play guitar.
21, my name's Josh, I'm from Portsmouth and I play bass guitar.
I'm Jack Murray, I'm 21, I play drums.
Actually met Morgan via Instagram, very modern day, because I heard their first single, Take It Back, on Spotify, and it was always kind of stuff I've been interested in, that kind of 70s blues rock sounding stuff. So I messaged him, then I met him at a train station after I'd finished work. I lied to him about playing guitar, just so we could have a jam, and he came to mind. I just said to him, I'm more of a frontman, even though I've never been in a band properly before. I'm more of a frontman, I want to sing for your band, then went to a practice. It all kind of kicked off from there, really.
Probably I used to watch like loads of live videos of bands from like the 60s and 70s, and that really like started my interest in it, really. And then when I was about 16 I started to get into blues music, and then that's what drew me more into playing guitar a lot more and finding that more interesting.
I've had a relatively smooth run until the church gig, when I must have jinxed it or something, but my strap snapped halfway through like the first or second song. But I think as a musician you sort of have to learn to deal with those sorts of situations as they come at you. So yeah, my first thought was to just try and hold it up. Obviously a bass is relatively big, so that didn't go too well, so I just sort of sat down for a few minutes. But yeah, I've never managed to trip up or anything yet, or I don't really throw myself around enough to do that, but yeah.
I tried to learn to play guitar. Didn't really get very far with that. Just like, didn't really persevere with that. And then I heard someone in the music room at school I went to, I think I was about in year 8, so whatever age that is, playing the drums, and I thought, oh, I'll give that a smash. And I loved it from day one, so just carried on after that.
I'm a lizard. I'm a lizard. Musicians aren't human, they're probably the most human people going. Anyone that's doing that.
Everyone wants to be successful, but realistically the next year we'd like to sort of expand outside of Portsmouth, do more gigs in London, Brighton way. I feel like there's a music scene more in touch with the sort of thing we're doing.